I'm going to be dropping the link of this product down here because in case you are interested, you can just go ahead and click on the link to get yours. It's the heat protecting spray types. I've using this one before, but this the other one is new, so I decided in my description to get it. It's 260, but I'm using low heat. I'm not using high one. She's a child. I just want her to allow me to make in my hair anytime she wants, so my hair will get more long. This is just a little way for me to encourage her. It won't hold the hair. So now, and sometimes she just say, "Mommy, if I had not cut my hair would have been 2 times longer." Hot iron in the hair is really not. If it's your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like it, and I hope you try this product out because it's really, really nice. You see how she's smiling right now. She's really happy. Like seeing her hair in the mirror is giving her joy. Thanks so much for watching. Please